Hey guys, and welcome to Cerealyn Styles. Today we are going to be talking about sock buns. Not only how to make a sock bun, but also how to put them in your hair and the different ways to do so. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please make sure to like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And I'm just gonna jump right into it. First, I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail and we'll go from there. Okay, and here we are. Before we get into putting the sock buns in my hair, I'm just going to go over the different types of them and also show you guys how to make one at home. So you can buy these from the store, Sally's, Cosmoprof, Amazon. I'm sure there's a million places that sell them, but typically they come in a light blonde color and a dark brown color. So they come in different sizes. These are ones that are clearly on the larger size. They also come in quite small ones. I'll put a little photo up in the corner showing you like the packs that they come in because you can buy them in multiple sizes and colors. I'm also going to show you today how to actually make one out of a sock, which is where they get the name the sock bun. So I have just a standard black sock here. I actually stole it from my husband's sock drawer. And all you're gonna do is, oh sorry, I'm trying to like show you better. Okay, so all you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the toe part off the sock. Now this is a standard sock, so this is going to make a small bun. If you want a larger bun, you can use a tube sock. And basically, the larger the sock, the larger the bun is going to be. So it's pretty cool because you can make them cheap at home and kind of adjust the size to your likings. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take the part where you cut the toe off. I should have used a white sock. That's okay. And you're going to start folding it down. And you're just going to keep folding and folding all the way until you get to the end. And the elastic part of the sock is going to kind of hold it together a bit. So that's why I like to start at the toe. And then you get a little sock bun. And you can use these. I actually love using the socks. I think they work really well in the hair, almost better than these sometimes, because I feel like these are a little flatter. You can make like a bun that doesn't stick so far off the head. And you'll see what I mean when I put these in because it is quite the dramatic height on the bun. For the sake of this video, I am going to be using the store-bought sock buns. So the first way I'm going to use the bun today is my favorite way to use it, but it's also the more complicated way to use it. So hang on towards the end for the easier ways to do it because some of you guys at home might prefer those ways over this one. So you're going to take the bun and put your ponytail inside of it. And you know what? I'm actually going to use the blonde one because I think you'll be able to see what I'm doing better. Okay, so then you move it up until all the hair is in the end. And also because I'm showing you guys this at a weird angle, the bun might not turn out as good as it normally does for me. So you're going to wrap the ends in and around and back through the hole. And then what you're going to start doing is you're going to start bringing the bun inside of itself. So kind of how we just made that sock bun, that's basically what we're doing. And as you're doing this, you're going to kind of move the hair around and kind of tuck it in the back of it and keep working down, and eventually it is going to cover the whole bun. Now, if you have shorter hair, this might not be the best way for you. You might want to stick to the other ways I'm going to show you. And you want to keep rolling it down until you're basically at your hair tie as close to the head as possible. So that's the way I like to do it. It's a little bit less of like a really fitted look. It's a little bit more messy, but not that messy. I mean, and then you'll kind of see what I mean by, this is quite a big bun. I typically wouldn't go this large, but for the sake of this video and showing you guys, I think it's going to be easier for you guys to see it like this. The sock buns are nice because you can get a smaller bun. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and show you guys the second way. Okay, so now this is typically how most people do it, and it is quite easy to do. This one you'll need a little bit more bobby pins for, so that's why I typically go towards the other one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the bun maker towards the bottom of your ponytail. You're gonna spread the hair out all along. You can use the brush if you want, It usually goes around pretty easily, but you're just gonna cover all the bun maker up with your hair. And then you are going to take another hair tie and just put it right over that bun, just like so. And then all this extra hair, you're just going to wrap around the base to tuck it. Now, the reason I'm not a huge fan of this one is because it sits a lot further off your head, and I don't like the way that looks. Now, you can go through with bobby pins or hairpins. Hairpins look like that. Bobby pins will work as well, but these do work really good with the bun because they go into the bun unit really well. And what you can do is take this and kind of push the bun down and under. And hang on, I'm gonna take a few of these out so I'm not being noisy the whole time. Okay, so then you take your pin and you kind of push down and under, and this is not only going to hide the hairs that are going around it at the base, but it's also going to connect it to your head more so it doesn't float on top as much. Just working my way around. And even with the pins, as you can see, it's still a little bit off my scalp. But this is a great way to use. I know a lot of people do these buns for dance recitals and different things like that. So that is the second way to do it. And then I'm gonna take this out and I'll be right back. Okay, so last but not least, we're gonna take the bun and we're gonna put it around the base, just like last time. So we're gonna get the hair all over the sock bun, just like so. What you're going to do is you're gonna kind of hold the top of the bun and you're gonna take the hair around it and just kind of push it under the bun. And you're just gonna keep working around and keep pushing and try to push it as much as you can. You almost kind of want it to be inside of the bun. So like under the bun and up in the opening of the hole of the donut. So you're gonna keep working around. You're gonna keep shoving the hair under, just like so. And what's nice about this look is you don't really need any bobby pins. And it stays close to your head. And it's a simple way to do it. You could even do this like in your car on the way to something. That's how easy it is. And there you are. So that's a really cool way. It uses no pins, and I just think that is awesome. I would say that the first way I showed you and the second way I showed you is my personal favorite. Anyways, I hope this was helpful to you guys. And if you guys have any questions, please ask below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.